Wagwan people. Wagwan. You know good? Today we'll be talking about some Jamaican slangs. Alright? So when you come to Jamaica, you're gonna at least be familiar with some things and what they mean. So let's jump right into the video. Woo! Alright guys. Okay guys, so when you come to Jamaica, so guys, welcome to Jamaica. And if you come to Jamaica for the first time, I want to know why you chose to come. I always ask the tourists, why did you choose to come? Sometimes they have family, sometimes they have a friend that's Jamaican, or I don't know, I guess they're just in love with the culture. So if you've been to Jamaica and you're not a Jamaican, comment why you came to Jamaica. Was it the people, was it the culture, was it has to be something, and what was your experience? Okay guys, so when you come to Jamaica, one of the main slangs that you hear is wagwan. Wagwan. I want you to try and say it with me as well. It's gonna sound funny, and it might sound stupid, you might laugh at yourself, but try it. I've been in positions where kids are actually stunned when I speak patois. So it's the same thing. Like when you hear another country and how they speak, like I always try to speak British, or like the people in UK, because I just love it. So I'm guessing that's how it looks to them. Alright, so when I come to Jamaica, you're gonna hear people say wagwan. Wagwan just means what's going on. If you hear somebody say wagwan, it just means what's going on. And you're gonna hear that a lot. We even have souvenirs with wagwan on it. People ask for stuff like that. Wagwan, or yeah man. Yeah man is another one, it just means yes man. Yes man, that's what it means. Like if I ask a question, are you going on the trip? You say yeah man, means yes, you are going. Alright, so that's 2. Number 3, I'm just gonna do some simple terms where you can build a conversation. So if somebody says, if a Jamaican says, why your name? It just means what's your name. So another Jamaican would say, my name Kelly, or whatever their name is. Yeah, if somebody say why your name, it means what's your name. So say it with me. Why your name? My name. Say what your name is. Alright guys, another one is Jamaicans tend to say, when we're parting ways with each other, we say little more. It means little more basically means later. Like you would say see you later. So when we're departing each other's company, we'll say little more, means see you later. Yeah, that's what it means. Alright, no. So on a more serious setting guys, when Jamaicans they get upset now, you know, and you hear Jamaicans say no ramp with me, it just means don't play with me. Don't play with me. So we say no ramp with me, meaning don't play with me. So little boy, no ramp with me. See? I want you to try saying it guys. So when you come to Jamaica and hear certain things, you're not gonna catch everything. You should be able to catch some of the simple terms like wagwan, meaning how are you? What is going on? Alright? So now with no ramp with me. So when people get too fresh, you don't know, or they get too, you know, they get too bright and fierce, they just no ramp with me. Don't play with me. That's what it means. Alright. Next thing guys, when you come to Jamaica, we're gonna wanna know where are you from. So we're gonna say where you come from, meaning where are you from. But if somebody say, where you come from? It means, where are you from? And you can just respond accordingly. Right guys, so if a Jamaican says, you're good, it just means, are you okay? You okay? You good? So them say, you good? Yes, I am okay. Right? Alright, now Jamaican says, come here. Who can guess what that means? Drop it in the comment section if you know what come here means. It's kind of a bit simple. Come here just means come here. Come here. That's what it means, guys. Come here. Come here. Remember to practice saying it, right? Come here. Alright guys, so we refer to kids as, sometimes we say pitney. Why do that pitney here? Why do that pitney here? Pitney just means child. Alright, and guys, we actually have a book here with patois. So if you want to know more about patois, or it is a slang that you want to ask me about, drop it in the comment section. We're just covering a few slangs for today. I didn't want to include this one, but I'm just going to give you a little one which I shouldn't have done, but guests have come to me, guys, and I'm so surprised. They actually teach them expletives. So one famous expletives is so guys, if you hear a Jamaican say, if you see a Jamaican getting angry, and if you hear a Jamaican say bumbo clot or any expletive, that's something that ends in a clot, you know, say that is an expletive. BC, RC, PC, anywhere that ends in a clot is a Jamaican expletive, guys. So sometimes guests come in front of me and they say it out loud. I'm like, okay, you know, I run prices of merchandise to customers, and they're like, bomba clot. I guess this is where I say bomba clot. Guys. Okay guys, so another time I'll cover some more slangs, but those are just a few things that you hear Jamaican say. Yeah, I want to like to create excitement to hear them say watcha. Vegas say watcha. It just means look here. But some things are just the same. Hello. So for hello we say wagwan. For WhatsApp we say you good, and so on. My name is, my name, I am from, me come from, I'm from Westmoreland, me come from Westmoreland. I would tend to use the term boy and girl when referring to male and female. That's basically it, guys. So those are just some Jamaican terms that you hear, and just to let you know what they mean, just in case you were curious. I'll cover some more another day, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And what you think, drop it in the comment section. Have you been to Jamaica? What has the experience been? And I hope you have a great day. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't watched some of my other videos, I'm gonna leave it in the comment section. See you in my next video, guys.